Hi there, Mr. Coffee here. So a little while back I bought the HD120 3-pack bundle and some LED strips to go with it, thinking they would work together. I'm a noob. I bought something that didn't really work together. Yeah, turns out I needed a Lighting Node Pro or the Commander Pro to get it working, and also to control the fans with the iCue software. And I was already using a fan splitter, so I thought the Commander Pro would be a nice addition to the PC because it can control up to 6 fans. So unlike the Lighting Node Pro and the NZXT Hue Plus that only controls the RGB, the Commander Pro is also a fan controller. In addition, it can also control up to 4 thermal sensors, and it comes with 2 extra USB headers that you can, for example, connect additional lighting nodes to, or even the AIO coolers from Corsair, which is a pretty nice feature as many new motherboards only has 1 or 2 USB headers. Okay, let's install this beast in the Meshify C Case. If everything went well, the Commander Pro will show up on the devices here. And we'll just click that and we'll set up the lighting. Okay, under the lighting setup tab here, you'll just have to make sure that the correct settings are in place. So I have the fans on lighting channel 1 and the RGB strips on channel 2, and I have 3 fans and 4 strips, so everything checks out. Next we'll go to the lighting channel 1, fans, and you can add an effect with a little plus there, and you can choose what effect it should be, and there's a bunch of different things you can choose from, and you can also make your own custom lighting setup. Okay, channel 2, same deal, click the little plus and choose whatever effect you want, and again you can also make something custom here, and you can choose different speed and random colors and stuff like that. Okay, under the performance tab you can set the different speeds of your fans. So for example, if I wanted to have all the fans with the quiet setting, I'll just pick the quiet setting and I'll just click on all the fans that I wanted to have the quiet setting, and the same with the extreme. You can also make your own custom setting like this. So, and you just pick the different fans that you want to have that custom, and you can just press the little plus button there. You can make more custom settings if you want to. And finally there's the sensor setup, or rather just the sensor readings. You can see them here under the Commander Pro fan, and if I just press the sensor, you'll see that it seems to work. Cool. Well, that's all there is to the iCue software. Okay, that was just about everything I wanted to show in this install video of the Commander Pro. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't, thumbs down. I don't mind. Also, if you want to see more of this kind of content on my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification button. Thank you. See you later.